Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jacob Grider. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a new serpentine belt on my 2002 Mustang 3.8 liter V6. It is rather squealy right now. I'm going to spare you guys from that, but what I'm going to show you guys is the little process of how to do this. It doesn't take very long. Well, it shouldn't take very long, but all you're going to need is an 18mm wrench and some patience. Let's get jumping into this video right now. With me here, my 18mm wrench, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a little diagram of what the belt is supposed to look like when you put it on, and then I'm going to show you where you're supposed to loosen. It's on the tensioner. You're supposed to loosen the tensioner a little bit, and the belt will come right off. Pretty simple process, but I just want to show you guys how it's done. A little diagram of what your serpentine belt is supposed to look like. This is your tensioner down here on the left, and that's what you're going to be loosening to get the whole belt off. And when you're putting a new belt on, it's easiest to start with the crankshaft and go from there. And I'll show you guys this process here in a little bit. You guys a better look at this engine bay. Here you have down here, bottom left, right here is your tensioner, and that's what your 18mm is going to go on. You're going to pull up, and it's going to loosen all of this, and it'll come right off. Easy as cake. You guys a better look. So this, when you pull up, loosens the belt, and it'll come right off. Serpentine belt off. Now, if you want to take a look at these belts here, the one on the right is the old one. And that one was just, it's disgusting, and it was squeaking like crazy. And here's the new one. I got this one from O'Reilly Auto Parts for about 30 bucks, and it should last me a good while. Let's go ahead and get that process started. New serpentine belt is on. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have everything on when you're doing that diagram, except for this up here, your alternator. You're gonna leave that hanging down here. And then what you do is you pull up on the tensioner, and that'll loosen the belt so you can put it over the alternator. And then from there, make sure to check all of your grooves, make sure that they're on the pulleys in the correct way and that they're not sitting off. And after that, just go ahead and give her a start and listen for any weird rattling or any squeaking. So let's get her started. Just like that, folks, this install is over. Super simple install, doesn't take that long. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And make sure to watch all the rest of my videos. I'll see you in the next one.